Okay. Testing. Right. Okay, this is well, good morning. Alright, this is my first time. I would like to uh, basically do this live streaming. Basically, just like recording on what I'm learned, okay, from this Microsoft Azure. If you can see on my screen. Okay, so I would like to show you like step by step how to create a Ubuntu virtual machine in the Microsoft Azure. So without further delay, let's start. So you need to navigate to this portal azure.com. This is the home page. But before that, you need to register to have an account. So basically, I'm just using the free credit. Okay, so once you come in here, you need to go on the virtual machine. Like for example, create virtual machine. Okay, Azure for students, then the resource group, you can create one. Or I mean, I have created one. So basically, this is just to, if you know, it's just a collection of the resources that share with the same life cycle, permission, and the policy. So in this case, I mean, if you want, you can just create one. So for example, just testing. Let's give a try. So this is another one. So you can put just Ubuntu testing. Okay. So the region, you need to find the closest to your region, the closest one to your region. So right here, I only have station. Let me double check. Sure. Because all these different region, it has a different pricing. So this you need to you need to choose the one that closer to your region. Okay, available South Coast. Okay, let me see. Most of the setting you can leave it default. So like you can see, this is the size. So usually we can just go for the free tiers, the free one. Okay, the whatever is available for the free. Okay, just you can see everything come with the price. Okay, so groupings. Go back. Oops. Let me see. Okay, I have to do again. Okay, for example, if I just want to make use of the same one, okay, just this is no redundancies. Okay, I don't know what I need redundancies. So okay, the basic. Okay, just use the standard one. Okay, image. You can choose the one available here. So I'm going to choose the one I recently do, 20, but actually there is more. Okay, get started. You can see there is more newer versions of the servers. Okay, okay, just use this. Okay, 64. So this is using the free one. Okay, meaning one CPU, 1 gig. I think should be enough. No need hyphenate. So we need to use SSH. So you can have sorry about that. Okay, so you can have some SSH key. So generate a new name. Okay, you can say Asus. So test. Just a name. Just a name. Generate keypad. Okay, this is just is generate for you. Username only can contain letter, number, hyphen, must not include reserved word between 1 to 64 character long. Okay. Okay, allow SSH. Alright. Okay, generate. So other settings are just we can just leave it default lah. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Okay, this is also keep it as default. Okay, so we're using free. Okay, so basically nothing changes. Just let's see. Okay, this is the price or the credit will be deduct. Okay. Just give a try. Okay, so download private key and create the resources. Okay, SSH key pair contain both private key and a private key does not store the key, so we need to keep the key. Okay, we need to keep download the key. All right, you need to keep the key safely. After that, turn. Okay, wait the key to be generated. Okay, this might take a little bit time for the deployment. All right. Remember the resource group, you just create a name. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Just create a name for your resource group. So if let's say you open the tab, sorry, so remember you must have an account. Okay, your deployment is complete. So if you go to the resources, okay, just machine, so you will have another one. Okay, okay, this is the one I created. Site. So this is the one that has been created. So what you need to do is like and double check the network settings. This is the SSH. And maybe you need to create a file later so that you can allow for the HTTP. Okay, allow, and you can say allow HTTP file. Okay, then maybe you can have another one outbound HTTP allow HTTP. Okay, so after that you trying to okay, if you are already here, you go back to, we can give a try on this HTTP uh, uh, sorry, the SSH port 22. You can give a try. So apologies about that. So maybe I just closing my, okay, so you can just go to connect. So remember, this is the public IP address is given. So you can just check the port 22 for the SSH, see whether it is okay. Okay, accessible. So here we also can select the native SSH access. So if you check, okay, make sure everything is okay so that you can, supposedly you can access to your SSH. So after that, you can just use, if you are using PowerShell, you can, sorry, just using the PowerShell, run an administrator. Okay, so let's give a try on whether we can SSH inside. -I. Then you need to locate for the key. Okay, this is the key I have saved. So the username is azutest. Okay, at the public IP address. Where is it? The sound. Okay, IP. So here, this is the one you can copy. All right. So let's give a try. So you can see, okay, you need to access to the SSH. So now we can access to the Ubuntu image by using the SSH. Okay. So first thing first, we do sudo apt update, because this is first time we created. It's going to take some time. Right. Then we need to do another one, sudo t install Apache 2. This is we would like to have a web server. All right. So after install the web server, we have to reboot it. Okay. Let it reboot. Let us see whether we can accessing it again. Nope. Okay, the server is still rebooting. Right now, okay, we can go in already. Okay, so after that, we trying to see how to say. We need to okay, this is my home. So we need to go to the web servers. So you need to find our okay, our index.html. So this is the index.html. So in fact, if we right now, if we go to our uh, web server, we should be able to, I mean, should be able to see our webs. Okay, so this is a web server. Um, we are just accessing it. We configure properly. Okay, so right now we might need to maybe we can do a little bit sudo nano the basic one. We added a little bit. So this is the HTML content. Okay, so you can just change a little bit. All right, like for example, you put JSON. Okay, this work. We have okay, make it works. So for example, Control S save, Control X is exit. So if you go here, you can just refresh it. Then you can see instantly we have changing. So right now we have set up a web server in the Ubuntu virtual instance using the Azure, Microsoft Azure. Okay, so well, this is the first thing I would like to show you guys. All right. So the next thing is like how to say. Sometimes we might wanted to use uh, other port than the port 22 because port 22 SSH usually a lot of the company the organization they will block it. So we can how to say we can configure it to using uh, custom custom port. Okay, so maybe in my next live stream I will share to you guys. Okay, this is just a basic stream. Okay, so show you how to be using Microsoft Azure Portal, and then we create a Ubuntu virtual instance, and then we install a web server, and then we make a bit changes so we can have this uh, to have this public IP address with my web page. Okay, so that's all for now. We will see again soon. Okay, let me stop the streaming now.